Centrifuge is awesome. It is a camp that's a whole week devoted to God.
Centrifuge, it's great. I've been coming back for about 3 years now.
I keep coming back to Centrifuge because of the whole experience.
I come back to Centrifuge every year because I love it. It is so much fun. The vibe here is just awesome.
Centrifuge has been such a great ministry, even outside our church. We can get kids to come to Centrifuge that don't come and sit on a Sunday morning.
Since I've been coming to Centrifuge for 7 years, I've just learned that it's a great way for any teenager just to become so close to God.
I love the worship service, and just to see, like last year, I think we had 800 kids, and to see 300-400 kids raising their hands to praise God.
It's kind of like a personal revival for me, not only seeing what happens in the children's lives or the teenagers' lives,